Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, bienvenidos. You know how y'all doing this quarantine period. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick crochet look using Gameoffros spring twist. The packet came with 3 bundles of the spring twists. That's her Instagram handle if you want to check her out. She's based in Nigeria. So I have 10 braids on my hair. I did 8 regular ones and then one I split into 2 for the parting. Don't mind how the braid looks, guys. This is quarantine hair, we're not going anywhere. And after we do it, no one is gonna see it under the crochet. So I'm taking this long piece, that's the one, because I connected everything together, and I'm just putting it under my braid so we can begin the crocheting process. I'm going to use my scissors and cut the thread that's holding one bundle together, and we're going to start crocheting. So as you can see, the crochet needle is open. Then I'm going to slide it under the braid. Then I'm going to open up the crochet loop, hook it on, close the needle and pull it through. Open up the loop again and put the braid through the loop, and there you have it, guys. Voila. I have another video where I did I think a more detailed look on it. I'm going to leave the link there. As you can see, I have my finger there, trying to give it 1 finger spacing so that it's not too close together and I don't waste the whole entire crochet. So I opened up the crochet needle, passed it under the braid. The hook has to be open to pass under. Put the loop of the crochet in, and then I closed the needle, as you can see, pulled it through. Then I'm opening up the loop and passing the braid through. That's generally the whole thing with this crochet. Just make sure that the hook is open, pass it under your braid. When you pass it under your braid, you need to make sure that you take the loop, as I'm showing you now, open it up, place it on that hook, like the fish hook place, as you can see, so. Close it up, pull it down, remove the needle, open up the loop, pass the crochet braid through, and there you have it. That's how to crochet. Very simple. I'm going to do it a couple more times for you to see. Now this is 1 bundle and I'm moving on to the 2nd bundle. So just pay attention and you'll see how I do it. Alright guys, so I finished 2 packets and that's how it looks. I'm taking the 3rd packet and I'm coming up to this part where the parting is. Here I'm not giving 1 finger space. I'm making it as close as possible because this is where the parting of my crochet braid is going to be. And I definitely believe that you can crochet on any type of hair, kinky, straight, it doesn't matter. If you notice that it's a bit difficult to pull it through, all you have to do is wiggle your hands a bit and voila, it comes out, especially when it's closer to the hairline. We need to make sure that you take the braid that has a defined loop. You don't want something rough in the front of your hair. So that's what we're doing now. We made sure that we took the neatest one and we used it for the front. Now I am going to make sure I get as close to the front as possible, and like I said, when you're pulling out, you can use the wiggling motions. And there you have it, guys. I've used all the packets on my hair, and like I said, you can't see anything that I did underneath at all, unless you're gonna lift my hair, and nobody's coming close to me during this quarantine period. 6 feet away, guys, 6 feet. So let me do my makeup and I'll be right back, show you the finished look. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like. See you in my next video.